Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, I want to welcome you. My name is Ashley, and in today's video, I'm going to be focusing on my guest bathroom. I've been wanting to do a little mini makeover for quite some time, so I'm finally getting to it today. I'm going to do like a little refresh, but before I get into that, of course, I'm going to do a quick clean in here. I did find this really cool product off of Amazon for my mirror, which I'm going to be showcasing that a little bit later. Also, Valentine's Day is in a couple of days. This year is just going by so fast. But at the very end of the video, I am going to be showing you some items that I picked up for my girls for that day. Be sure and give this video a big thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into it.
In the madness, you got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. Sleeping at night, keep losing your shit on my problems. You know that something ain't right, blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving romance in the madness. You I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
So these shelves, I've actually had them for quite some time. I believe since we moved into this house about 3 years ago. It actually was a 4-pack, and 2 of them I had used in our master bathroom. So I've had these 2 for quite some time, not really knowing what I was going to do with them. But I did want to take out the black and white shelf that I have in my master bathroom, so I figured this would be the perfect space for them. If I can still locate them on Amazon, I will try my best to link them in my description.
You already messed it up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete things, got me romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
Something's in the air, I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it.
Alright, so full disclosure right here, I am not the best when it comes to hanging up items on my wall, such as shelving or wall art. I will use like a leveler to make sure that it is level, but other than that, I pretty much eyeball everything. I'm not very precise with my measurements. If I can take a step back, look at it, and it looks perfectly fine, then it's definitely good enough for me.
'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories, so let's start listening. Let the rain wash away the tears that keeps crippling. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. Now
This item right here I purchased off of Amazon. I believe it was around $8.99, and it does come in a single pack, a 2-pack, a 3-pack, or a 4-pack, I believe. There were a little too many of the baby wipes, but these do get used all the time, so eventually the lid will be able to sit right, but the lid was raised a little bit because there were just too many wipies in there.
I don't think they've ever burned this bright. turned out. We learned to run, we learned to fight. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. I wanted to be saved before we lost our way.
I had randomly came across this item on Amazon when I was scrolling one day, and I just thought it was so cool. It's this border adhesive for your mirror, and they do come in different sizes and different colors as well. This one ended up being a little too thick for the mirror, so I did end up having to cut it in half, which was the perfect size for the mirror. It's super easy to apply. You just stick it directly on there, but you should use like one of those putty knives or wall scraper thingies. I could not find mine for the life of me when I started this, but later on I did end up finding one, so I did go back over it. It's supposed to be water resistant, and when I had purchased this, it was for $4.49. Last that I checked, it was no longer in stock, but there are so many similar items. I'll try my best to link something that is similar to the one that I purchased.
All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. Too soon to know we were in trouble. Too late to make it go away. You always try too hard to hide it. You made it easier each day. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through.
Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know I've lost, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried.
As a working mama, one of the things that I struggle with on a regular basis is not being able to pick my girls up from school. It's something that I wish I could do every single day. And so every year there are certain days that I'll for sure use my vacation time on, and Valentine's Day is one of those days. Usually what I do is I'll just decorate the home a little bit, make some goodies for them while they're at school, and then pick them up from school and just hang out with them for the day. I always buy them a little something. I just love picking my girls up from school because they get so excited, especially my little one. She absolutely loves for me to be able to pick her up, and it's just fun to hang out with them. So we'll just hang out for the day, eat the good treats. Every year, it's one of my favorite things to do with my girls.
Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell. Ooh. Work it out. No, I know what is on your mind. I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a
Alright, my friends, if you made it into the very end of the video, you are the true MVP. I really appreciate you so much. It helps out my channel immensely. You'll have to leave me a comment and let me know what you thought about my little bathroom makeover. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I also really hope that I will see you next week for a brand new video. And with that being said, you already know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.